In the entire Level 2 ICAG Professional Qualification Examination, I think Public Sector Accounting and Finance is one of the easiest papers that you can pass. Why is it so? It's so because each section of the examination, from question 1 to question 5, we know exactly what the examiner is going to be asking, and that is the way the syllabus is structured. What does that mean? It means that if you study in the manner of how the exam is going to be and questions are going to be asked in the exam hall, it means that you can pass the examination at one sitting. That is the strategy that we are going to be adopting and we use in delivering our tuition on Public Sector Accounting and Finance. We take you through the entire syllabus, discussing with you the key areas that you have to focus on, but most importantly, going through the entire syllabus and answering key questions so you can position yourself to pass the examination. Remember, your enrollment also gives you access to our live question portal where you'll be able to go through the entire syllabus, position yourself, work under time so you can pass the examination. Note, question 1 is always going to be on conceptual framework for general purpose financial statements and other fundamental issues such as accounting basis, accounting techniques, and other issues. Question 2 is usually going to be on the issue relating to financial statement preparation, whether we are preparing the final accounts on the consolidated fund or a metropolitan municipal district assembly or a ministry, department, or an agency or other covered entity. Question 3 definitely is going to be on the issue relating to PIFA and evaluation of financial statements. Question 4 will take the spot on public-private partnership arrangements as well as public procurement. Then question 5 is a no man's land area where the examiner is going to be throwing anything else in the syllabus in the question 5. This is the order in which we design our online courses on Public Sector Accounting and Finance so you can go in there, pass the examination at one attempt, and become successful. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below this video, enroll in the course, study directly under my mentorship, get access to our manual as well as our online portal so you can study, go in there and pass the examination. I'll see you on our live calls.